Awning window installation in New Orleans is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of Awning Windows New Orleans styles available, including vinyl awning windows, aluminum awning windows, and wooden awning windows, residents can find the perfect match for their home. Awning window companies in New Orleans offer a wide range of options to suit any design preference. Energy-efficient awning windows in New Orleans are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows provide superior insulation, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Awning window experts in New Orleans can provide detailed information on the benefits of energy-efficient awning windows and assist with installation. Custom awning windows. New Orleans allow homeowners to tailor their window designs to their specific needs and preferences. Awning window contractors in New Orleans specialize in creating unique window solutions that enhance both the appearance and functionality of a home. With custom awning windows, the possibilities are endless. Awning window replacement in New Orleans is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular awning window maintenance can prevent costly replacements and ensure that your windows continue to operate smoothly. Awning window services in New Orleans offer comprehensive replacement and maintenance solutions to keep your windows in top condition. Awning window replacement in New Orleans is a straightforward process with the help of experienced awning window contractors. Whether you're upgrading to energy-efficient awning windows or simply replacing old, worn-out windows, New Orleans awning window installation services can provide expert guidance and support throughout the process. Awning window suppliers in New Orleans offer a wide selection of high-quality windows at competitive prices. From vinyl awning windows to aluminum awning windows, these suppliers provide a variety of options to meet any budget. Awning window prices in New Orleans are competitive, ensuring that homeowners receive the best value for their investment. Awning window reviews and ratings in New Orleans can provide valuable insights into the performance and reliability of different window options. By consulting awning window reviews, homeowners can make informed decisions about which products and services best meet their needs. Awning window estimates and quotes in New Orleans are readily available from local suppliers and contractors. Awning window designs in New Orleans are diverse, offering something for every taste and style. From traditional to contemporary, awning window styles in New Orleans can complement any architectural design. Awning window options in New Orleans include a range of features and benefits, ensuring that homeowners find the perfect fit for their home. Awning window solutions in New Orleans are designed to meet the unique needs of each homeowner. Whether you're looking for increased ventilation, improved energy efficiency, or enhanced curb appeal, awning window experts in New Orleans can provide tailored solutions to achieve your goals. Awning windows. New Orleans features include advanced locking mechanisms, weather-resistant materials, and customizable designs.